Now, for us, we hear a lot from businesses about what they need out of training, and they will come to us again and again and say, here are the skills that we need trained on, but in particular, we're looking for a return on investment. And I think that this is something that particularly policymakers could really learn from. And that if we are looking at businesses and saying, hey, this little week to few months of training needs a return on investment. Here we have K through 12. There is such a great opportunity for return on investment. I would imagine that a dollar spent there is far better than a dollar spent on me. And I love my work. I please spend more dollars. But K through 12 is such utter importance. And beyond that return on investment, there's a couple things that our clients are looking for. They're looking for those core concepts that we are training on, things that are equivalent to some of these standardized tests. But they're also looking for capabilities. They want to know that the students can apply what they've learned. And finally, they're looking for a culture change. And I think this is something that can it both learn, we can share with the K through 12 community and they can share back. And it can be a great point for interaction because I know that there is work towards school climate surveys with very mixed feedback one way or another. But when a business talks about a transformation, when we say AI reinvention, we're not just looking for the capabilities of people, we want them to have a mindset shift and think about problems differently. And when I think about particularly high school students, the way that you think coming into middle school or high school should be totally different than the way you think coming out of it. And that's something that I know that ability to adapt and to be resilient are things which the workforce is caring about more and more and more.